That's not going to sober you up.
Do me a favour, Ian. Shut your mouth.
Did Sharon know you were over the limit?
I think she's got enough on her plate right now, don't you think?
Did she specifically know you were driving on the way back?
Where you getting at?
Tell her I was driving.
Why would you do that?
Because it'd help you out.
And? Ian, you never do anything unless there's an upside for you, so what is it?
Keep Sharon quiet about Bobby.
What?
You don't know this, Phil, but she was going to grass us all up about it.
You are sick. Do you know that? You're trying to do a deal with this kid half dead over there.
I'm just protecting my family, the same as you would do. Think about what you could lose. Sharon, Ben, your freedom, your home, everything.
Sharon. He's a fighter. He'll be all right.
It's been Christmas Day once before. At Dennis. 10 years to the day, actually. We thought it was food poisoning. It was our little boy in here. A Christmas miracle. A week later, Daddy was dead. Everything I have, I lose. I'm gonna lose you too.
What are you on about?
It takes a lot to turn that car over, Phil. Were you driving drunk?
I told you I was just gonna have 2 cans today, it's all right.
Is that the truth, or are you lying to me?
Your son's asking for you. If you have a moment to, Mr. Mitchell.
Yeah, give us a sec, yeah.
Are you lying to me?
Sharon, you know that I haven't been in the best of places lately.
You were.
I never said that.
You were driving drunk and my baby was in the car.
Sharon.
I know. You choose booze over your own family.
It wasn't me that was driving, all right? It was Ian.
You caused this.
Sharon, not now. Okay, Dennis is waiting for you. Hope you know what you're getting yourself into.
You just do your bit, yeah?